Good morning, students. Welcome to Maths class. Today we are going to see about the international system place value chart and how we are going to put commas, how we are going to write it in words, how we are going to write it in figures, and how we are going to write it in the expanded form. Before entering into the session, let us recall what all the things we learnt in the earlier class. Shall we start? Yes. Now, the first question is, what is the place value of 5 in 27,85,670? The 5 is underlined. Now you see, when you are starting from the right, the ones place, the tens place, the hundreds place and the thousand. Therefore, 5 into 1000 equal to 5000. So, the place value of 5 is 5000. The place value of 5 is 5000. The next question is, how many tens are there in thousands? How many tens? So, how we are going to write? We see the 1000 we are writing in the numerator. So, how many tens are there? So, the tens we are writing in the denominator. So, only 1 0 gets cancelled. We are striking 1 0. And what is the answer? 100. So, how many tens are there in 1000? There are 100 tens in 1000. There are 100 tens in 1000. Third question, what is the smallest natural number? What do you mean by natural number? In the last class we learned, isn't it? The set of counting numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. are called natural number. And here, what is the smallest natural number? That is 1. Okay. What do you mean by whole numbers? Yes, along with the natural number, when 0 is included, we will be getting the whole number. And what is the smallest whole number? 0. So, this is the things we learnt it in the last class, isn't it? Next question, what is the largest 6-digit number? Yes, 9,99,999. The largest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. The international system of units has been used around the world. Now, the international system place value chart. In the international system, the periods are units, thousands, millions and billions. And we are having some more things that you will learn in the later. Now up to billions we are going to study. So in under units, what are the places? Ones, tens, hundreds. Under the periods thousand, the places are thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Under the periods millions, the places are millions, 10 million, 100 million. And under the periods billions, the places are billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. So you know how to write ones, you know how to write tens, hundreds and thousand, 10,000, like that we can write. Next, how we are going to put commas. How we are going to mark the commas in the international system. So, the first comma comes before 100 and the second comma comes before the 100,000 and the third comma comes before the 100 million, and like that we have to put the commas, that is a bunches of 3 digit, a bunches of 3 digit and a bunches of 3 digit. Now we are going to write it in words. How we are going to write it in words? The first example, write in words in international system. So a number is given and how we are going to write it in words. So whenever before writing in words, first we are marking the commas so that without confusion we can write. Now you see, I told the first comma comes before the hundreds place and the second comma comes before the 100,000 and the third comma comes before the 100,000,000. So you see, I have given the place value. So see, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100,000,000, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. So when we are writing in words, we have to write the billions, the millions, the thousands and the units. So when we are joining, we have to join and write. So now you see 145 billion, 145 billion, 278 million and 586,321. Once again I'll repeat, 145 billion, 278 million, 586,321. Example 2. Write the following in figures. So words are given. We are going to write it in numerals. So see the first question. 808 million and 80. 808 million and 80. So you see here ones, tens, hundreds. You write the units place, write the thousands place. So 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Up to 100 million is given. See 808 million. So up to million we can stop. So 808. So in 100 million we have to put 8 and 0. 10 million place we are not having number. So we are putting 0 and 8 million. So in million place we are putting 8. And you see, and 80 is there. So and the thousands place we are not having any number. So there is no thousand, isn't it? So 0, 1,000 0 place, 10,000 0 place and 100,000 also 0. So 0, 0, 0 and 80. So 80 means the hundreds place what we have to write 0 and 8, 0, 80. So 8, 0. Okay, so 808 million and 80. So whenever we are writing the periods, we won't make mistakes. Next question, 100 billion. So up to billion is given. 100 billion, 85 million, 400,000. 400,000. So the periods are ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 and this is million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. So you see 100 billion. 100 means how we will be writing 100. So in the billion place we will put 100. So that is the 100 billion is 1 and the 10 billion 0 and the billion place 0 and you see 85 million. So 85 in the 100 million place we want to have a number. So we put 0, 8, 5. 10 million place 8 and million place 5. And next you see 400,000. So 400,000. So 400. 4 in the 100,000 place and 10,000 0 and 1,000 0. And the number in 1,000 and in 100 the number is not given. So 0, 0, 0, 100 0, 10 is 0 and 1 is 0. So how to write this number? 100, 0, 85, 400 and 0, 0, 0. Example 3. Rewrite the following numerals with commas using international system. So how we are going to mark the commas? So 3 numbers are given. So how we are going to mark the commas? So I told you have to put commas. How we will be putting the commas? So a bunches of 3 digits. So shall we see the solution? See a bunches of 3 digit and a bunches of 3 digit and a bunches of 3 digit. So next number you see a bunches of 3 digit, next 3 digit and the 2 digit. Okay, so we can stop here. So next here you see 3 digit. So before the hundreds place, before the 100,000 place we are putting the commas. So after 3 digit we are putting the commas. Example 4. Find the place value of the underlined digits. So 2 questions are given. We are going to find the place value. See, the 7 is underlined here. So it is international system, isn't it? So when we are starting, what we will be getting here? 0, tens, that is the ones, the tens, hundreds, thousand, and this is the 10,000. So the place value of 7 is 7 into 10,000, that is 70,000. The place value of 7 is 7 into 10,000 equal to 70,000. And the next question, 1 is underlined. The place value of 1 is, so the periods are ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and next million, 10 million, 100 million. So 1 into 10 million equal to, 1 into 100 million equal to 100 million. Example 5. Express in expanded form. What do you mean by expanded form? The number is expressed as the sum of the place value of its digits. Number is expressed as a sum of place value of its digits. So 2 numbers are given. So the first solution is, so the given number is what? So the given number is 19,181,765. So how we are going to write in the expanded form? That is equal to 1 into, so here 19 million. So 1 into 10,000. 1 into 10 million plus 9 into million plus 1 into 100,000 plus 8 into 10,000 plus 1 into 1,000 plus 7 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 5 into 1. So that is equal to 10 million plus 9 million plus 100,000 plus 80,000 plus 1000 plus 700 plus 60 plus 5. So we can write it in this way. We can split it and we can write it in this way. Okay, ma'am. So the next question is given. We are putting the commas a bunches of 3 digit, isn't it? So a bunches of 3 digit and next a bunches of 3 digit. So this will be your ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000 place, 100,000 place, and this is the million place. So that is equal to 7 into million plus 100,000 place. We are having 0. So put 0. 0 multiplied by any number will be 0. So we can put just 0 plus 9 into 10,000. 9 into 10,000 plus and the thousands place 0. So 0 into any number 0 plus 8 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 5 into 1, or you can put 5. Okay, so that is equal to 7 million plus 90,000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 5. So easily you can write the expanded form. Now we are going to recall what all the things we learned. How will you write 1 billion in figures? 1 billion in figures or in numbers. So how we are going to write? So you put the 0, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000 and million, 10 million, 100 million and billion, so that we won't make mistake. See, 1 billion. So in the place billion we put 1, and rest of the numbers and rest of the places we are putting what? 0, 0, 0 in the million place, 0, 0, 0 in the thousands, and 0, 0, 0 in the units place. So we can write 1 million like this. Next you see, what is the place value of 2 in the given number? So you see 2 is underlined. So starting from here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and 100,000. So the answer is 2 into 100,000 equal to 200,000. 2 into 100,000 equal to 200,000. And the next question is 1 million equal to dash lakhs. 1 million equal to dash lakhs. See, first we are going to write million. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000 and million. And million is in international system number, isn't it? So we are writing 1 million, and you see dash lakhs. Lakhs will be in the Indian system, isn't it? So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So we are writing lakh in the denominator and 1 million in the numerator. Now you see, we can strike the 0, 0. So see, 1, 0, 1, 0 we can strike. 1, 0, another 0 also striking, and the third zeros we are striking. And here the next 0 will be get cancelled, 0, 0 will be getting cancelled. And what is the value we are having? 10. So 1 million equal to 10 lakhs. 1 million equal to 10 lakhs. Now you see 1 crore equal to dash millions. So we are writing crores, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and million in the denominator. So million, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. So how many zeros we can strike? You see in the denominator 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros are there. So we can strike 6 zeros in the numerator and denominator. So when you are striking 6 zeros, what we are getting? The answer is 10. Therefore, 1 crore equal to 10 million. 1 crore equal to 10 million. Thank you, students. I have given assignment sum in your assignment group. Complete it and send it to me. Thank you.